This morning, the Duval County Clerk of Courts is warning everyone about a scam that tricks people into thinking they have to pay to get out of trouble for missing jury duty. Do not fall for it. Jody Phillips is Duval County's Clerk of Courts is here to kind of walk us through what really happens if you miss jury duty. Good morning. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
Your office actually issued this warning yesterday, which is why we felt so important to have you on this morning. And I just want to set the record straight because I think that because not a lot of people do jury duty like every year, for example. It's once every couple of years, even if that. Some people never get called.
That's correct.
In which case they might not really know what happens if you miss jury duty. If you miss jury duty, will you be arrested?
No. You won't be arrested. And to correct that, you can be called, once you're called, you're not called for another year.
Okay.
And so,
okay, good to know.
Yeah.
So, but I think that because they're not called that often, they're not really sure what happens if for some reason they missed.
That's correct.
So what happens if you miss jury duty?
Yeah. Well, again, you're not arrested. And this, what we're talking about today, unfortunately, it's not something new. The scam has been going on for years. It's just we've seen an increase in it recently, and so we felt like with our partners in the 4th Judicial Circuit, it's time just to kind of notify the public again, to be vigilant when, considering these scams.
So is someone ever required to pay any money if they miss jury duty?
By statute, there is a fine associated with that, and it depends on, the county, the size of it, if somebody is sent something, but you will never be notified by phone from us that you are fined for not showing up for jury duty.
So the Duval County Clerk of Courts office, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office are never going to call you and tell you that I'm going to arrest you if you don't pay.
That's correct. Any communication with my office on any legal matters will always be written. So the sheriff's office, the clerk's office, we're not going to call you and issue a fine over the phone. That's not going to happen.
So no one ever thinks, and they're listening to this, and we even say in the newsroom, who falls for that? No one ever thinks they're going to fall for a scam. I have a friend who actually works to help teach members of AARP not to fall for scams. And it's not that she almost fell for this, but she was so convinced by this, she stayed on the phone for an hour with this scam artist because it was so convincing. Can you talk a little bit about what you're hearing? I mean, the technology that they have to make it seem like they're calling from the sheriff's office or from the clerk of Clerk's office is really incredible. Yeah,
they've actually gotten more and more sophisticated, and that's what's scary. They will actually use phone numbers that appear to be coming from a government office. They'll identify themselves, and sometimes this case with a judge's name, maybe a public official. So they're very sophisticated in what they do. And when someone calls and tells you that you've missed jury duty, and as a result of this, you can be fined. If you don't pay this fine, you can. There may be a warrant for your arrest put out. That's scary to people. And so, like I said, they sound very authentic, and that's why a lot of people fall for it. And that's why we really want to notify the public, don't do this. This is not how we communicate.
Is there some way then that they can, because back to my friend, she literally got on another phone and was calling the sheriff's office trying to, and unfortunately that can take some navigating to get to the person who can say, no, it's not us. Yeah. What can someone do if they receive a call? I mean, other than hanging up, but they're just not sure and they want to check it.
Yeah. My advice is if you get a phone call like this and somebody's asking for your bank account information, maybe even a social security number, that should be reason to pause. And at that time, there's a couple of different things you can do. You can contact my office. You can send us a message at duvalclerk.com. You can call our office at 255-2000, or if you want to call the sheriff's office at their non-emergency number at 630-0500. So there's ways, and I just encourage people, if it doesn't sound right, stop, call us, and let us help you through that situation.
And I think what's difficult about this is that they give you the impression that if you hang up the phone, suddenly, SWAT's coming to your door and knocking on the door.
And that's just not going to happen. And that's why we're trying, and periodically we put releases out to notify the public because we'll see an uptick in this behavior. So yeah, that's not going to happen. The sheriff's office is not going to show up to your door if you don't come to jury duty. So again, we're just, trying to educate the public, stay out in front of this. and so that we can keep somebody from, giving information that could cause harm or damage to them.
And if for some reason, setting aside jury duty for a second, but if somebody is calling and pretending to be from the clerk of court's office, I mean, is there ever any reason that you would accept payment over the phone through a prepaid card, anything like that?
Yeah. We don't do prepaid cards. We don't call people and issue fines. Like I said, again, anything that we do, any legal communication is always written. So, and the courts won't do that as well. So anytime you see something like that, raise the flag, call us, call the sheriff's office, and let's stay out in front of it.
And payment would be in person or via mail, via check?
Yep.
Jody Phillips, thank you. I hope that our viewers heard this because, as you said, they'll call 50,000 people, and if they just get even a handful, they're still winning.
Absolutely.
Because they're getting money that, they didn't work for, like the rest of us. Thank you for your time. We appreciate the warning for our viewers, and please listen. And we'll post this interview, by the way, later this morning on news4jax.com.